Hatch. Birds hatch from eggs. The baby chick hatches from its egg. Bite. The dog bit my hand. The dog's bite was painful and required medical attention. Flutter. The butterflies were fluttering around the flowers. The butterfly was fluttering its wings, gracefully moving from flower to flower. Chew. The cow chews on the fresh green grass in the field. The dog chewed up my boot. Gallop. The horse galloped across the field with great speed and grace. He galloped his horse toward us. Chomp. The crocodile chomped on the finger noisily. The alligator chomped down on its prey. Graze. To feed sheep, cows, and horses on grass or other plants in a field. Cows and sheep graze on a field. Attack. A tiger will attack people when it is hungry. A lion attacked a group of zebras near the watering hole. Bathe. Elephants like to bathe in the river on a hot summer day. Cows bathe in water to keep cool and clean. Brood. The hen brood consisted of 6 adorable chicks. A mother duck broods over her eggs until they hatch. Carry. The tiny ants carrying a hamburger and leaf. A snail carries its shell on its back. Catch. The frog was able to catch a fly. The cat caught the mouse. Climb. The monkey climbed up a tree. Squirrels climb trees. Crawl. A snake crawls on its belly. A snail crawls slowly on a leaf. Hop. Kangaroos move by hopping on their hind legs. The rabbit can run and hop. Lick. The puppy is licking the baby face. A dog might lick its owner's face to show affection. Leap. The rabbit leaped across the field to escape danger. A snow leopard can leap up to 50 feet in a single jump. Peek. Woodpecker pecks on trees to find insects for food. Chicken pecks on the ground to find grains and seeds to eat. Poop. Cow pooped more often in the feed alley. Chickens poop every 30 minutes throughout the day. Prance. The horse began to prance around the field, showing off its energy and spirit. The mare pranced in excitement as her owner approached with a carrot in hand.